Number 5. Trixie Dog Activity Flipboard. Level 2, Interactive Treat Puzzle Game. Intermediate Level Fun, the Flipboard Level 2. Puppy Puzzle is a fun hide-and-seek challenge that requires your pup to learn how combined actions lead to tasty rewards. Great for pups and small dogs who have mastered Trixie's Level 1 puzzles. Challenging your pup's mind, the Flipboard is an interactive treat puzzle game that works your dog's mind while reducing boredom and destructive behavior. There are varying number of placement options. Number 4. JW Pet All Dog Toy Puzzle Ball. Natural rubber, assorted colors, large dog chew toy. The Holy Roller is the do-it-all puzzle ball made from soft, stretchy natural rubber that is great for gentle chewers and teething puppies. Tug it, fetch it, chew it or stuff it with toys and treats. Entertaining and enriching, this chew and puzzle toy helps keep your dog entertained and provides essential mental stimulation. Natural rubber is gentle on your dog's gums as they chew and teeth. Number 3. Ethical Pet Interactive Puzzle Toy. Seek a Treat Shuffle Bone Toy Puzzle that will improve your dog's IQ. Specially designed for training treats. This dog training toy is made of sturdy wooden construction. Training treats, this dog feeder requires your dog to actually think about what they are doing and whether it will get them the desired results. IQ Puzzle, a dog training device that provides them the mental stimulation they need to flourish, strengthen, and test their skills. Number 2. Nina Ottosson Puzzle Game Dog Toys. Flip, lift, and slide to hide treats. The Nina Ottosson dog brick comes with 3 types of treat hiding compartments to test your furry friend's skills. Flip lid compartments open and slide to reveal 2 separate treat hiding spots, while removable brick bones conceal the 3rd hidden compartments in this puzzle dog toy. Number 1. OurPets Waffle and Sushi Interactive Puzzle Game. Dog Toys and Cat Toys. Mental stimulation, exercise your dog's brain with this dog food and dog treat dispensing puzzle toy. Place your healthy dog treats or dog food in the compartments. Move sushi flippers to cover the food puzzle's tracks and let the dog games begin. Dog puzzle toys are not only fun, but they also strengthen your dog's cognitive abilities while keeping your pup busy and redirecting destructive behavior. Great alternative to snuffle mats for dogs.